This is Sámi handicraft, and the Sámi name for it is Duodji. Sámi handicrafts have developed from practical utility articles for everyday use into highly valued art wares. Duodji is important both as an industry and as a form of cultural expression in Sámi society.
Duodji is a part of me. It's my heart. When I work with a knife, I can feel my grandfather is talking to me. He is in my heart.
The materials used to make Duodji, such as animal hide and fur, bone, horn, wool, wood, and birch bark, are sourced from the local environment. The boundaries between Duodji and art are fluid.
Art is important to all people, and especially small peoples like the Sámi, because the majority cannot suppress our soul or art. And traditional culture is ours to bring to the future, to give us new visions and new strength.
Expressions of Sámi life through pictures are among the oldest art forms in Scandinavia. Rock carvings or petroglyphs have been found that are about 10,000 years old, and much of what was carved into the rock can again be seen in modern Sámi art.